walang ano.
One.
Jump lang.
Jump lang ha. Backdive din. Backdive. Magbabackdive.
Backdive pati front dive na ako.
Oh, good na. Naka-video yan. Wow, parang pang-Olympics ah. Tatalon lang yun, ano? Pabaliktad pala. Pang-Olympics. Oh, yeah.
Yo, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat dyan. Oy, pagbati sa iyo, Marbote. Happy 60th birthday. Enjoy your day. I-enjoy mo lang iyong masarap na bakasyon dyan. Stay healthy and drink more Red Horse. Yan, ika nga. Pagbalik mo dito, lalaklak na naman tayo. Again, happy 60th birthday sa iyo.
Happy birthday, Papa. We love you.
Happy birthday, Papa. Have fun in the Philippines. I miss you.
Happy 60th birthday, Papa. I hope you're having a good time there and stay safe.
Ingat po kayo lahat dyan and enjoy.
Bye.
To our youngest little brother, not little anymore, but a huge one. Happy 60th birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come. And may all your dreams come true. More travel to come and with your family, and God bless you more. We love you.
A birthday blessings to you, Pa. Congratulations. You're another year older. And again, happy birthday. And of course, to Diche, kay Kevin, and to Debutant, a happy and blessed birthday sa inyo and more years to celebrate. Okay, and enjoy everyone. Enjoy your day the fullest. Thank you.